Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bushar Musa. I am from grade 4A. Today I'll teach you about science. Chapter 2, Lesson 1, Invertebrates. Like sponges. A sponge is the simplest kind of invertebrate. Sponges do not have symmetry. Sponges live underwater. Most are shaped like a sack, with an opening at the top. While the water flows into the sponge, it filters the water for food. The adults stay in one place. The offspring float or swim. Nidarians. A nidarian is an animal with arm-like parts called tentacles. At the tip of each tentacle are poisonous stinging cells. Nidarians use these cells to stun prey. Jellyfish and corals are nidarians. Mollusks. Do you collect seashells? Those shells come from invertebrates with soft bodies. These invertebrates are mollusks. Most mollusks have shells and live in water. Snails and slugs are the only mollusks that live on land. Some adult mollusks, such as clams and oysters, stay attached to one place. Others, such as squid and octopuses, swim freely. Echinoderm. Sea urchins are echinoderms. An echinoderm has spiny skin. It also has an internal support structure. This structure is called an endoskeleton. Goodbye.